For those who don't know me, my name is Ms. McGuire and I'm the Director of Admissions at Presentation Academy. And I'm a Pres girl, class of 2008. Each fall, I look forward to coming and visiting your grade school, bringing in a few Pres girls, and sharing about what makes Pres special. And I usually have you play a game where you hum a silly song or act something out so that you can learn about what sets Pres apart. And while we don't get to do that this year, I want to make sure that you know a few things about Pres. At Pres, we offer demanding academics and we know you'll make lifelong friends, but we offer so much more. Since our founding in 1831, we've been educating tomorrow's leaders. And with our close-knit community, we encourage girls to grow, learn, and be a part of something bigger than themselves. And since I usually bring Pres girls into your classroom to tell you about all of this stuff, I'll just let them take it away.
At Pres, we offer innovative academic opportunities called the Senior Independent Program. SIP creates the opportunity for students to create their own project and guide their own class through that project. Some examples of this are people writing their own books, recording their own podcasts, directing plays, and, if you want to be like me, creating your own fashion line.
We also let you be more than just one thing. At Pres, you get to be a part of the action. 65% of Pres girls play a sport and 30% play more than one. And if sports aren't your thing, you can even act on stage or join some clubs. 91% of students here at Pres are involved in at least one extracurricular.
At Pres, we take the words college prep very seriously. We're located right in the heart of Spalding University's campus, which means we get to utilize their athletic facilities, labs, and even take some of their classes. Almost 50% of Pres girls leave with some form of college classroom experience, which means we're always ready for the next level.
And these are just a few great things about Pres, and we haven't even gotten into our nationally recognized leadership program. It's one thing for us to tell you this stuff in a video, but it's hard for us to really show you what it's like at Pres unless you're in our building or talking one-on-one with a Pres girl. Luckily, we are offering a few ways for you and your family to still do these things.
Since you aren't shadowing in person this year, we are offering shadow Zoom calls with Pres girls. This is a chance for you to talk one-on-one with a Pres girl and have all your questions answered about entering high school.
We are also hosting personalized tours of our campus. You and your parents can come down and see our historic building and see firsthand all that we have to offer.
And for 8th graders, we're hosting an in-person open house on Saturday, November 21st from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. But don't worry, we're also hosting a virtual open house on Sunday, November 22nd if you can't make it in person. We hope to see you there.
To sign up for any of these opportunities, be sure to check out our website. Also check out our social medias on Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the best places to keep up to date with everything that's going on at Pres.
I always say that it's important to find a school that is the right fit for you, your wants and your needs. And what's right for you might not be what's right for your friend, and that's okay. And whether it's our size or our tradition, Pres has a lot that sets us apart. And when you find yourself at Pres, you are encouraged to step outside your comfort zone so you are able to become who you are meant to be. The following is just a sneak peek of what we have to offer at Pres, and we hope to see you at 4th and Brecken soon so that we can show you around. Before watching this, you might not have known about Pres or thought it could be a place for you, and that's okay. This year we're celebrating 189 years of educating young women leaders, and we invite you to be a part of our next chapter. The future is Pres.
Ask any Pres girl, and they will tell you that when they walked into Pres for the first time, they immediately felt like they were home. Forget about the label you had in grade school. High school is the time to find yourself, and Pres is the place to do it.
Pres girls come from all over Louisville and the surrounding counties, making our school a reflection of the real world. With diversity at our core, Pres encourages us to be ourselves and to allow others to do the same.
When you find yourself at Pres, you find yourself being challenged academically. With our small class sizes, our teachers get to know us as individuals and how we can excel in the classroom. Through our curriculum, as well as our partnership with Spalding University, we can earn college credits all 4 years, both in our classrooms and right next door.
When you find yourself at Pres, you find yourself in the middle of all the action. Singing on center stage, competing on the court, or leading student government, or maybe all three. At Pres, you can pursue all of your passions and follow your dreams.
When you find yourself at Pres, you find yourself united to generations of proud Pres girls. You'll become a part of something bigger than yourself. Since 1831, our legacy has bridged the past to the present. As we look ahead, we want you to be a part of it.
Find yourself at Pres.